Simplify the square root of 25 minus the square root of 24. Can you solve this without using a calculator? Pause this video and have a try. Alright, let us solve this together. So we have the square root of 25 minus the square root of 24. First, simplify the square root of 25. Since the square root of 25 is 5, the expression becomes the square root of 5 minus the square root of 24. Now, since 24 can be written as 4 times 6, we have the square root of 5 minus the square root of 4 times 6. So we have the square root of 5 minus the square root of 4 times 6. Next is to apply the law of radicals. So if you have the square root of a times b, that can be expressed as the square root of a times the square root of b. So hence, this expression becomes the square root of 5 minus the square root of 4 times the square root of 6. Okay, let us simplify. We know that the square root of 4 is 2. So the expression becomes the square root of 5 minus 2 times the square root of 6. Now, we need to recognize a perfect square pattern. Notice that 5 can be written as 3 plus 2, right? And the square root of 6 can be written as the square root of 3 times the square root of 2. So this expression becomes the square root of 3 plus 2, and that is 5, minus 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 2, applying the law of radicals. Alright? So we know that this 3 can be written as the square root of 3 squared, right? So if you have the square root of 3, then square this, that is equal to 3. You can cancel this. Likewise, 2 can be expressed as the square of the square root of 2. And then copy 2 times square root of 3 times the square root of 2. Next thing to do is to rearrange these terms. So we have the square root of the square of the square root of 3 minus 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 2 plus the square of the square root of 2. Okay, are you familiar with this form? Recall that in algebra, if you have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, we can factor this as a minus b quantity squared. So using that formula, our expression inside the radical sign, inside the square root, becomes square root of 3 minus square root of 2 quantity squared, right? And since the exponent of the radicand and the index are the same, we can cancel this out. Hence, we have the square root of 3 minus square root of 2 as our answer.